Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to be cleaning up this nice little cast iron file handle. I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, let's get a good quick look at this. This is the cast iron file handle I picked up a couple of months ago. I got it from Jacktown, as well as a couple of other things from the same booth. I was really excited to find this. I don't see these too often, and when I do see them, there's usually cracks, something of that nature, and this one's, well, it's in relatively good shape, so yeah, I was pretty stoked overall. We're going to throw this on a wire wheel, get it cleaned up, evaluate it after that, so let's go over there and do that. Alright guys, well, all of these pieces, for the most part, cleaned up pretty good on the wire wheel. The handle, of course, it cleaned up pretty good. I still need to get on the inside. I still need to get in where the file handle would slide in. This piece has got me worried a little bit. The shoulders here on the side are ultra thin. I don't know if that's even showing up. I hope it is. But look how thin that is. If I throw that on the 1x30, we're not going to have any material left. So, not quite sure what I'm going to do about this. Give me some time, I'll think about this. In the meantime, we're going to clean up the screw and clean up the handle. So let me grab some tools and we'll start on that. Alright, well, that's pretty clean. We're going to run over to the 1x30, clean it up just a little bit more. Alright guys, well this piece I left pitted. I just cleaned up the edges on it with the 1x30 with a conditioning belt on there. Cleaned up the inside, of course. Inside here is just way too shallow. I didn't want to go crazy with it. I did clean up the bottom a little bit. I'm going to throw that in a deoxy. And of course, the handle. It's a lot cleaner now. I do like that look on there. I don't know if I'll keep it high polished or not, but this definitely needs to soak at least overnight because there's still a bunch of rust on the inside. So that's the only downfall with these handles and those Defiance utility knives are the holes, so moisture gets in and, you know, just rusts them out. But we've got everything all cleaned up and looking a lot better than what it was, so pretty excited about that. Let's get this soaking in here and we will pick this back up tomorrow. Set this off to the side and we'll see you then. Alrighty guys, well, this has been soaking in here for over 24 hours. Close this lid back up, set it off to the side. Then we'll rinse these off and we'll see what we got. Well, there it is. File handle came out pretty nice. Cool. Happy with that. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. The little file handle cleaned up absolutely perfect. I'm quite happy with it. Silky smooth, it feels good in the hand. This is going to be a fantastic user. That's it for this one guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another.